So here's how to make money on Freecash app. First of all, open up the Freecash app. Now once you're in the Freecash homepage, you will get to see an interface like this. Here, go over to rewards on the bottom bar. After you get into this page, you will get to see it is titled as Freecash Rewards, and if you scroll through, you will get to see multiple ways you can earn rewards, such as affiliate links or daily streaks. Here, as you can see, if you log in every day, you will get certain amounts as a bonus. And if you scroll down further, you will get more rewards if you follow them on Twitter, so tap on this option. So after you get to this section, just log in to your Twitter account. Then, all you need to do is follow them. And as you can see here, you will also get rewards if you download their application. And since I've already downloaded it, I've claimed the reward. Now if you scroll down even further, you will get to see the daily bonus ladder. This is a game that you can play in order to increase your rewards. So this is how you can make some extra income on Freecash app.